Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're setting up your Squarespace website and want to connect your domain the right way without any confusion or broken links, you're in the perfect place. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect your domain properly in Squarespace so your website looks polished and professional from the start. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to squarespace.com and click on Login. Sign in using your Squarespace credentials or choose Continue with Google for a faster and more secure login, especially if your Squarespace account is already linked to Google. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the one you want to work with and make sure it's the right one before continuing. That will bring you to your main dashboard where all your site settings live. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select Domains and Email. This is your central hub for everything domain related, connecting, transferring, and managing your website's web address. Under Domains and Email, click Domains. Here's where the real setup begins. Choose Use a Domain I Own. This tells Squarespace that you already have a domain from another provider, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. When prompted, type in your full domain name. Make sure it's spelled exactly right. Then you'll see two options. You can either connect your domain or transfer it. If you want to keep your domain registered with your current provider, choose Connect Domain. But if you'd rather manage everything directly inside Squarespace, choose Transfer Domain. If you're transferring, you'll need your authorization code, sometimes called an EPP code, from your current registrar. Enter that code in the space provided and click Save and Continue. This step verifies ownership and starts the connection or transfer process. Once you've saved, Squarespace will automatically set up your DNS settings or guide you through updating them on your domain provider's end. Give it a few minutes and your domain will officially be connected to your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've now connected your domain the right way, clean, simple, and secure. Your website is ready to go live with a professional custom URL that perfectly represents your brand. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future Squarespace tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.